So here's another tune for the start of the autumn 2015 session. It's a reel, don't know where it comes from, don't know anything about it. It's called the Mother and Child Reel, and it's very simple and needs hardly any explanation. It goes like this. So the first part is in D-ish, and the second part modulates into A-ish. Sometimes you hear people playing. For some reason, I don't like that at all. So I just play the 3 Gs here. Need a little something on the, just a little grace note is fine with a bellows push. Even without the grace note. Another thing you can do is kind of concertina-ish sort of thing. Use your outer row of sharp here. Change. Now you need to climb up the scale if you want to hit this G here. There we are, Mother and Child Reel. Simple tune, figure it out.